Okay, YouTube, so for this project you're gonna need a letter of your choice, and I got this letter from Walmart for 98 cents or 88 cents or something like that. And also I got this wood plank from Walmart, and this was just like $2.87, $2.47, something. I don't be remembering exact prices, so all I know is it had this little plank paper on it, and it's called a palette plank. And it says you can write on it and stuff like this, but I'm going to create a blinged out key holder, because right now we just put our keys everywhere. And so also this ribbon, this diamond ribbon, is from the Dollar Tree for $1. And also these are from the Dollar Tree, and these are the self-adhesive hooks. But I'm going to use some E6000 glue and a little hot glue gun, and the glue gun for these, so they won't come off. Also, I'm going to use some of this kind of bling wrap to cover the G. This wrap right here came from Wish, and it was on one of those free things, and it came in a pack like this. So this it, and you get quite a few diamonds, because it was, like I said, it was free, but you pay $1 for shipping. So I'm going to start on this this key hook, and I'm going to show you what I do along the way. when it came to the G, like I said, I didn't like it. So what I'm going to do is outline this with the diamonds. And then on this part of the G, I'm going to use some sequins. Because I have a bunch of these lying around. So I want to see what it'll look like if I use it on this letter. So this is the G after you put the sequins on it. So right now it's not dry. I'm going to sit it on the side and let it dry for a few, probably 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So the G is dry. Let me see if I can get a good angle of it. Right here, okay. So this is dry and I put sequins on this. And I had to let it dry overnight because I put a lot of glue and stuff on it. So after this is done, I'm going to take the plank and the wood paddle, and I already cut out the diamonds and stuff that's for it. So hopefully this angle is okay. And I'm going to glue all of the diamond wrap to